I'm here today with this Gravity Maze game, and I just wanted to get this for such a long time for my kid. This is from 8 and up, and my son is 7 now, but I think he might be able to get into this. So I've been waiting for I think since his 5th birthday to get this, because it just looks so cool. And well, maybe it's just really for me actually. But let's unbox this and see what we get. A little maze here where you can put the things on. And it feels a bit plasticky. It's very, very light. You have different blocks. So this is one entire block here, and this is one short one small one. I think you can all build them on top here. And they each have different openings. So I think that is what the marble run will do. So this one can go through here, from here up top. And I think that is the difference here. You have quite a few pieces, a couple of the purple ones. Cool. And these gray ones. So a lot of pieces, even some more in here, with green ones that are large as well. And a couple of yellow ones. So a lot going on here. And then you have this stack of cards. So these are the puzzles that you get. This is the contents of the pack. So one blue large one, two green, two orange, purple, gray and red. And then a stack of cards. This is how you put that on in the grid. So you have a little explanation card to go with it. So let's open up this stack of cards so we can see. So we have different levels, beginner here. So that's nice. I think for a little bit younger kids, getting that beginner level in there, even if that's the only thing they can do, I think that's still really, really cool to get started with this sort of thing. So my kid loves marble runs. This is more of a game with them, of course. So that's a little bit of a different way of looking at it. But you have these mazes that you need to finish. And then let's see. Oh yeah, so those are the colors that you need to put on there. And then, you need to finish the grid. So it will go to the finish. So you have a start and a finish. And you need to put in these pieces to finish the grid. So I have to get the orange and the red and then use purple and gray to get to the finish. So it's really a nice way of playing the game. And then a couple of these marbles, if you lose one, you still have some spares. So I think really cool, a really cool game here. I'm going to explore it some more, but I hope this unboxing has helped you to see what this actually is and what you get.